Coming at you again is Whiskey Brother 718. My name is Ro. Check your G Mike, Chris the producer, the connoisseur, the avidor, Mr. Rao, the professor. The professor.
Shout out to Money Heist.
I don't know who Money Heist is, but the professor over here,
Power Heist.
Dario.
Casa Papel.
Viste. Vamos con el Bud Light, esto fue un regalito, tú sabes. Budweiser me llamó, me dijo que mandaron una gorrita, porque le hice la vaina de Jim Beam, viste.
Hey guys, thank you. We just got 100 followers.
100 followers.
We appreciate you guys. It wasn't easy, but we getting there.
It's tough 100. Tough 100 followers. So that's why we chose to do 100 proof for our 100 followers. And I think we're supposed to shout out our 100th follower, which I believe was Mr. good friend of mine, Roberto Vanderpool. Great comic, great comedian, shouting you out. And
Look him up. RV Comedy on YouTube.
RV
Yeah,
Comedy.
that's Dominican dude, right?
Sir.
Yeah.
That's
he's
Mr.
funny as hell.
Roberto
He's funny.
Vanderpool. Very
He's
funny
funny
guy,
as hell, yeah.
good friend of mine. And if you're watching, yeah, we got the Super Bowl going, right? Anyway, and you gonna shout out the other two.
So,
We got a few more today, so I think it was like 2 more.
I think his was 100 because his
His
thing,
was
and then it said-
100,
it doesn't- There you go. So you know what? Do you want to shout out everybody else? So
I'm gonna shout.
I want to shout out all my friends, my family, and thank God. I want to thank God. I want to make sure everything that He does for me, y'all see it, which is drinking bourbon. He puts me on this earth to drink this bourbon.
And
Thank
because
you.
of 100 followers, what we doing the 100 proof.
That's why we're doing 100 proof, 100 followers. Knob Creek. This is what it is. ¿Te va a comer el teléfono?
I had it written down and I lost the paper. Shout
Bueno,
to.
pero me falta un vaso ahí.
No, I see.
Ok. ¿Lo quieres ser perfecto una onza? Bueno, vamos.
Dale. Yes.
Loco, déjame decirte una cosa. Esto no está marindo. Esta vaina no es. Ahora mismo está como que 29 afuera. 29 grados.
29 degrees, yes.
Está como 29. Mira, 29 degrees outside. This right here is going to make it 100 degrees. I swear, this is really good stuff.
It's 100 proof.
It's 100 proof.
And people drink that shit straight up like that?
Straight, baby.
Straight, baby. Straight 100.
You never been to Kentucky?
Nice dark,
Apruébalo.
dark color. Nice on the nose.
Love it. I love it.
Nice on the nose.
You smell
Leads
a lot
up to
of- a lot of
sinuses.
oaks. You can smell the oaks on this.
Sinuses gets all gone.
Yo, I'm on the Sigrid Bob.
You can smell the oaks on this.
I can smell it.
Yes.
If y'all don't know what a gripe is, what's a gripe? That means you got congestion in the nose zone.
It's 100 proof.
But this shit clears it up, straight up.
Let's taste it.
I drink this, so.
That's not bad.
I like it.
I thought it was gonna be a little harsher.
That's
Tastes
what I thought.
appley, right? Tastes
Apple, yeah,
appley?
definitely.
That tastes apples?
You taste some like
Doesn't linger.
peppermint, vanilla.
Peppermint vanilla?
Yeah, honey.
Honey? You always say honey. This guy always tastes honey.
Well,
Like Winnie the Pooh or
Jim
some
Beam is
shit.
known to use a lot of honey in their work.
And guess what? This is a James
This is
Beam
a Jim
product.
Beam.
This is a Jim Beam product, which
Yes.
I did not know about. Let me put this over here. You see
Really
how
good.
he got this little computer stand over here? Little
bad,
whiskey
not bad.
POS
I
system.
like it.
They made in small batches, so concentrated flavor.
Sweet. This is 75%
Sweet.
corn, 13% rye, 12% malted barley. So, ooh, I like this, man.
I
It
drink it
doesn't
all
taste
day.
overproof at all to me.
Not at all.
Well, like I think I said this before in another episode. The higher the proof with bourbon, the smoother it's gonna be.
No way.
So 120. I'm gonna. You know what? Next week, cash strength, Maker's Mark, 120, 126 proof. You'll see. It'll get you lit.
This is good. This is good.
Trust me, it's going down smooth, but this shit will get you lit.
Last week
Lit.
we had what was it that we had?
Angel's Envy.
Angel's
Angel's
Envy.
Envy.
That put me on my ass.
Bad hangover.
Oh my God. I couldn't even get up from the bed.
Bad.
I was done.
Bad hangover.
Hell
Oh,
yeah.
You're not
we
used to
did. We
bourbon,
killed
that's
the bottle.
I love bourbon, bro.
It's pretty good. This is pretty good.
This is good.
This actually numbs your mouth a little bit, don't you think?
So, yeah, I mean, the back of my tongue, yeah, I
It
feel
numbs your
like
mouth a
some type
little,
of-
right? Watch next week, cash strength. Dígalo más down. Todo bien. Aquí estamos los gente. Ellos son los dueños que pasaron por ahí. Ellos están haciéndolo. ¿Viste?
Not bad. Ralph, what you think?
That's not bad. I'm surprised it's this good for being 100 proof.
You thought it was gonna like burn and shit.
That's what.
But it
especially
numbs
on
you.
the
It
color.
numbs you. It numbs you.
Especially on the colors, it's like really dark.
It numbs you.
The smell is more better than the taste.
I like the aroma on it.
And I think that's the thing. It numbs you out, and you keep drinking because I don't feel the burn no more. I just felt the
So
little
what-
bite at the beginning,
At the beginning.
and it's
yes.
gone.
Yes.
Yeah, I honestly, I don't like drinking hot liquor, but I could drink this hot.
What you mean hot? Shit,
Like, no
hot.
ice.
Oh, straight.
Straight.
All right, out the bottom.
Because I
asked Mr. Franklin last night. He told me he
todos para
has
arriba.
a schedule.
Same schedule.
Yeah.
That's what you gotta do.
All right.
What's up, man?
All right, good night.
So yeah, the owners left.
Estamos todos para arriba, muchachos.
So now we
Vamos
here.
todos para
Now we here at the famous Lindenwood Diner, known for our crab legs.
Guys, why
Look
you-
us up on
I'm sorry to
Instagram.
interrupt.
Don't.
What's your thoughts about the Patriots last week?
Oh, my Pats.
The Patriots.
Listen, I'm a Patriot fan. I'm gonna tell you something right now.
They
We get another
became
chip.
alive, man. They're
The
gonna do
new,
it again. They're gonna
the
do it again.
new. Okay, now I'm gonna say the new, but the next Michael Jordans of sports will
Yep.
be this year.
Yep.
The GOAT forever. He already got 5 rings. The GOAT forever.
All right, next subject.
Next up, wow, this guy don't.
He
He's a
he
Jet
sound like a
fan.
Giants fan.
He sounds like a Jet fan.
I know I
A
got-
Giant fan.
I know we got two over that guy.
Huh? Whoa. What?
No, I think the next is 4, no?
What?
4 rings.
No.
What is it, Bradshaw? Bradshaw got 4 or 5?
4.
Bradshaw got 4?
You don't even know who
I
Bradshaw
thought-
is.
Yeah,
He
the
got
dude
5.
that had other rings. I don't know.
You know who
But I
Bradshaw is?
think-
You know him. He's a commentator. He's bald. White
Oh
hair
yeah,
on the side.
the guy, the commentator.
Look at my
both.
kids in the middle of the fucking
Fish
sport. Look at my
Steelers.
kids. Look at my daughters.
Oh yeah, that's him. I know who. So now, yeah, my prediction: New England against the Saints.
That
Two-
would be a great game. Yes.
2 of still, let's say, the old school.
Where they playing? Where they playing?
Well, next game
Atlanta.
they play in Kansas City.
Atlanta.
No,
doesn't
the
go.
Super Bowl is
They
in
played
Atlanta.
last year in Atlanta.
No, it's
No,
it's
Atlanta.
Atlanta.
It's in Atlanta this
It's
year.
in Atlanta.
Oh,
They
it is in
played-
Atlanta. It is in
Yes,
Atlanta.
yes.
It's in Atlanta. Last year was Minnesota, where Minnesota could have played at home.
And
Right.
it just been announced that Travis Scott is gonna
Yeah, I've been
perform.
announced, brother.
That's right. Yeah,
Yeah,
saying
like
nothing.
what?
He got a lot of
yesterday?
backlash behind
yes,
that.
I know.
Yeah, but he's donating the money or $50,000 or
Yeah,
$500,000.
He's not getting that bag like I was hearing it on the radio. Actually, he's not getting the bag like you would think.
Well, yeah.
But anyways, stop counting. other
And Big
people's
Boy,
money.
Big Boy.
Big Boy is supposedly making a guest stop because he's in Atlanta and they're in Atlanta.
He's from Atlanta.
Yeah.
Yes.
Andre.
Listen,
Outcast,
man.
Outcast. Anyway, back to this Knob Creek. It's been around since 2001.
No.
92,
92.
sorry.
1992. Yes, the
1992.
first time that the Jim Beam Company put this on the market, it was 1992.
This is the original. They have other flavors, but
Yes.
this is the original, 100 proof.
I
I
drink
been out
this.
forever because one time we went to a party and one of my boys had was drinking that shit. And me by mistake thinking it was any kind of scotch. I drank that. I was like, whoa, what the fuck is this shit?
Yeah.
Knob Creek. The original. This is the original.
No,
I
what
just
I would like to
remember
know
it
is
was
Jim Beam the biggest bourbon producer U.S.
Jack Daniels.
Because so far, all the bourbons that we have tried on the videos, they've been produced by GB.
I think it's Jack Daniels.
I mean, too.
I
That's
know.
just me.
Well, you got your laptop there. Let's go. Check
That's
it.
just me. What I do know is bourbon battles in Kentucky outnumber people 4-1. That I know. It's
What
not
is
a
it?
fact.
Yeah,
For
but
every-
that's not a fact.
For every person, for
You
every
checked it out because they say some
Yes.
stupid shit. You gotta check it out.
no,
That's
it's
right.
true. It's true. It's true.
So
It's
there's
true.
more barrels.
Them
Oh,
people in
them
Kentucky.
people in Kentucky.
Oh, okay. I can
That's
get
possible.
My man.
4-1.
4-1.
So if there's a million people in
There's
Kentucky,
4 million battles.
I just threw that math thing so we can understand what 4-1 really is. This shit gets me nice quick. This shit,
You didn't even. That's your first 2 ounces.
yeah.
No, se calienta.
¿Cómo que se calienta?
You can walk outside. You can walk outside right
Walk
now.
outside butt naked with the half a bottle of that shit.
We gonna call this the heater.
Butt
This is
naked.
This is the heater.
Shit.
What we looking up? Biggest producer of bourbon?
Yes.
Wait.
So far, all I found out is that Evan Williams is the second. But it's actually, yeah, Jimmy.
Is it? Where's Jack Daniels at? Where you getting your information from? Wikipedia?
Wait. No, not Wikipedia. Which would probably would have been this year.
That's the most famous one of all these burgers.
Okay, Evan Williams is second, Jim Beam's number 1, and then it's Heaven Hills.
Heaven Hills, that's the bottle you wanted to get.
But Heaven Hills is by what's it called? Wait, Heaven Hills?
That's the bottle
Have you ever
wanted to
heard of Heaven Hills?
No.
get. I heard of it the other day.
Even on the cheap scale?
They come from Louisville.
Kentucky.
Louisville, Kentucky. That's where they make the bats at.
That's where they make the bats at. That's right.
What?
That's a funny fact.
Louisville Slugger. These guys are on their fucking little miniature computers. I'm here feeling nice already with this shit. This shit is nice. Oh no, you know what did it to me? I
And
think
then
it
it's
did.
Maker's Mark after Heaven Hills. So,
Yo, do your did it because it don't
so
even make
far,
sense. Like Jack Daniels
Wild
not even top
Turkey,
5.
No, Wild Turkey, Town Brand.
You know
was the
why? You know
question?
why? Because they don't consider Jack Daniels a bourbon.
What
It's
is
not.
It's
They
called
really
an
don't
American
consider-
whiskey.
yeah.
American whiskey.
Bourbon is
Tennessee whiskey.
American.
Yeah. So
Tennessee
that
whiskey.
makes sense. That makes sense.
So what you looked up? Bourbon?
Yes. Bourbon.
But
So
let me get a Jack Daniel bottle. What the hell does it say in front of
it
it?
says whiskey.
The number
Tennessee
seven.
whiskey.
Tennessee whiskey, yeah, Tennessee whiskey. Sour mash.
It's an
And
American
this is
whiskey.
from Tennessee.
Yes.
Not Kentucky.
Lynchburg, Tennessee.
Maker's Mark.
Sour mash. I like
Town
that sour
Brand,
mash. Is it sour? Is it supposed to be
Wild Turkey. Woodford Reserve.
I like Woodford.
Yes.
sour? Well, like I said, this is
First time I had Woodford was at the casino that day.
this is considered a Tennessee whiskey. That's exactly why you won't find it on that
Yes.
list.
So
It's
then
not
you,
on that-
you gotta
it's
look
not
up
on-
American
You bought it
whiskey.
after that, right?
It's not on the
You
same
bought
card.
it
It
after
says that nigga bottle and grape with the nigga, right? Then Woodford said you a bottle with grape?
Yeah, no, that was a gift from our friend from Jack Daniels.
Oh.
You had it with me?
You're friend with Jack Daniels.
Jackie Daniels.
That's another word.
Jackie Daniels, if you're listening, thank you for that bottle, all right, Jackie Daniels.
Hey, what casino was it as well? What hotel?
We went no hotel, no casino. We
No,
was
it's
at
right here.
we was at the Aqueduct,
At the Racino.
the Racino, at the World Resorts Casino, and that was the first time I tried Woodford. Really good. Then I had different types of.
So why
Woodford.
didn't you try it? Was
Hey,
it
they
We
price?
looked, no, we looked at it.
Was it price?
No, yeah, that's what it was. It was.
It didn't have a stopper.
And the girl said, if it doesn't have a stopper, I could free pour. and she free poured for us, and we drank it. But it was good. I mean, I like bourbon, so it was good for me. But it was kind of tough for me.
But
Like
they do
had-
it at the casinos like that. If it doesn't have a stopper, they.
Well, that's
I
what
don't know
she
about
said.
now.
But I never seen her again. And I think they fired her because of that shit. Like they heard her say that. Because when I go to the casino now,
Shout to her. Shout to her.
I haven't been to the casino in a long time, but when I go to the casino, I look for what don't have a stopper and be like, yo, let me get double. And that's it. And you just give them $25 for a double. And she won't stop.
So as long as you gamble, you get it for free, right?
No, not here.
not there.
And they see.
That's in Atlantic City.
Why was the stopper me?
The
Stopper
stopper,
is this. What is this?
Oh.
A pourer.
A pourer.
But it has to stop.
Para a la onza or whatever they gotta say. No, them niggas, they got the electronic shit.
Yeah, but that one didn't have a thing. That's why she was
They
like,
put a thing.
oh no, I could
It's
just.
a little intimidating though.
This?
The bottle. It's a little
It
intimidating.
looks scary. Why it look like medicine, right?
Yeah.
Does it know?
Look like a little
Not
fussy,
bad.
right?
Thumbs up. Good job.
Yeah, good
We
job.
16 minutes in.
I like
I
that.
want to say thank you again for all the support. I need another 100 followers on our next. We're gonna do a 200 proof bourbon. If there
And
is
let's
a
not
200.
forget, we're gonna do
I
the.
believe this.
When we get to 200, we're gonna do a bottle giveaway, right? We're gonna do that. We're still doing that.
For the next 100? Yeah, we should give up
For
for
the
the next
200?
for the 200.
Here you go.
We give
We're gonna give a bottle now. You comment and let us know about what we should do for next week. I'm gonna do the cash straight next week, make it more. But if you tell us what we should do, follow us on Instagram, give us a comment, and we will randomly pick someone and we'll send them a bottle of whatever we want, and then we'll figure it out how we do the address and all that other stuff. So please follow, let us know what's going on. Now Creek 100 proof, 100 followers. Thank you very much. Ro, Mike, Chris, Ralph.
Professor, baby.
All right,
Whiskey
cool.
Brothers 718.
Follow,
Instagram.
subscribe, let us know what's going on. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.